Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show to make these with Photoshop and After Effects. Let's get started. So first step, open Photoshop and go to File, New or Control N. Let's select this size, Full HD and resolution 300 and click OK. Then go to folder and select this our blueprint image, move to inside Photoshop and hold shift, change scale like this and move to center. Okay, then let's create new layer and add name pose 1 and select this blueprint. Let's click lock layer and go to select pose 1, go to click this brush tool or press B in the keyboard and let's zoom here. Okay, so in this time let's draw our character. Right mouse, change brush size 5. Okay, and let's draw. Also change brush color black. Okay, let's go. So friends, for smooth draw, select this brush tool and go to here, smoothing, change smoothing 100. Okay, and let's draw eyes. Okay, nice. So let's hide blueprint layer. Okay, nice. Our characters is here. So let's go draw other parts. Okay, first pose is done. Let's hide blueprint. Okay, nice. And let's go to Google and search original image for make colors. Go to Google Chrome and let's search Bart Simpsons. Okay, this is original color. So let's go to spinning tool and let's screenshot these colors, edit, copy and back to Photoshop and let's Ctrl V and move to right here. Okay, and lock layer. So in this time select this pose and click this icon for create new layer and move to back, add name color and let's select this brush tool and hold alt, select this red color and zoom to image and let's make colors like this. Okay, nice. And let's look other colors. Okay, this is body color, yellow. Let's hold alt, select this color and back to here and let's make yellow colors. Okay, body color is done. Let's look other colors. Okay, short color blue. Let's hold Alt, select this short color, and let's make like this. Okay, all colors is done. And so in this time, let's make random shadows for all body and all dress. Let's zoom to body and select this color. Let's create new layer, add name, shadow, and select this brush tool again and hold Alt, select this red color, go to click this color cube and change color to dark red like this. Click OK. Let's see. Okay, nice. And let's make shadows. This is random shadows. You can make how to like you. Okay. And here. Okay, not bad. And here. And here. Change size, brush size. Okay. Okay, not bad. Let's go to face and hold Alt, select this yellow color and go to color, change to dark, click OK, right mouse, change brush size. Okay, let's make like this. Okay, and here. Okay, not bad. And let's make shadows for hair. Change brush size 5. Okay, nice. Okay, looks good. And let's add eyes shadow here. Let's change size, brush size 10. Okay, nice. And hold Alt, select this white color, go to color and change to dark white and add shadow here. Okay. Okay, not bad. And let's make shadows for short. Hold Alt, select this blue color, go to color box and change color to dark blue, click OK and change size 8 and make shadows like this. And here and here. Okay, not bad. I like it. and hold Alt select this color, go to again color box and change to dark, click OK and make shadow like this. Okay, and here. Okay, good. And let's make shadows for food. And shoes, hold Alt select this color and make shadows like this. And here. Okay, nice. So our character is done, and let's make other pose for animation. So let's go. So friends, welcome back, and my character all frames is done. Let's see, this is frame 5, frame 4, and frame 3, frame 2, and frame 1. So in this time, let's save this Photoshop file and go to After Effects, go to project area and right mouse, import file, select this Bart Simpson and change import as composition rectangle line size. Click import, again import kind composition rectangle line size, click OK, and let's open this composition. Okay, let's create a new solid layer for background color. Right mouse, new and solid. Let's add name background and click OK. Move to back these layers and go to effect preset. Let's search color gradient ramp and select this gradient ramp. Let's use for this background, and let's select first start color blue and end color white. Click OK and let's try swap colors. Okay, let's select this white color, select this here blue and move to right. Okay, not bad. Click OK, again swap colors. Okay, let's try again to blue. Okay, this is good, yes. So lock layer, and so in this time let's select this first frame rate and go to here, enable title action save, and let's move to center like this and move to up. Okay, let's hide other layers. Okay, and let's hold control click R. Let's add one line here. Okay, and one here. Nice. So in this time, let's select this frame 2. Let's enable unhide. Move to up here, and let's move to right. Okay, and let's move to down like this. And let's go to 3 keyframe 1 to 3 and select this frame 1. Go to edit and split layer or Ctrl Shift D and delete. And select this frame rate 2. Let's move to right. Let's see. Okay, nice. And go to again 3 keyframe 1 to 3. Go to edit, split layer and delete. Select this layer 3. Let's enable and move to up and move to right. Let's see. Okay. And let's move to left and move to down. Okay, nice. And move to right. Go to again 3 keyframe 1 to 3. Go to edit and split layer and delete. And select this frame 4. Let's enable and move to up and move to here. Let's see. Let's move to left. Okay, nice. And move to right and go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. Go to edit, split layer and delete. So finally selected frame rate 5, let's enable and move to up and move to right. Go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3 and go to edit, split layer and delete. Let's see, okay, select this layer, move to left and move to here. Okay, and move to down. Nice. Okay, let's select work area. Let's see. Okay, nice. So, but we have one problem. Let's solve it. In last keyframe and first keyframe, I want to add one new keyframe after frame rate 5. Let's go to here, select this layer, Ctrl D for duplicate and move to up and move to right. Let's see. Okay, and select this right mouse, go to here. Let's flip horizontal. Okay, let's select work area, let's see. Okay, this is good. This layer and this layer. So, not bad. So, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.